A quick update on Engine. So Engine coin is up almost 58% on the week. You can clearly see we're down below the macro 618 here from the low to the high. So as long as you're below 13, that does put in play that final 786 support down here. We'll zoom in just a moment, but you could still drop 52% down to 5 here. Now, with that being said, if we pull this up to this previous low to the high, you can see we're bouncing on the 786 once again at about 98 here. So 98, and if we also draw, let's go down to the weekly chart here just so we can see. If we go short term from the high to the low here, we also have a 236 at this same area that you're right above. So 94 up to about, let me fix this real quick. So 90, 93 and 98. So as long as you're above those, this could be the bottom. If we can push back through 12 and then get over 19, then that might tell us that this thing's about to move back up and get over 22 at the 618 on the shorter time frame here. I say shorter, but it is weekly candles. But here on the monthly, you are still down below that macro 618, so you could end up coming down. So we'll see how it plays out. Now, with that being said, the bigger question is, where is Engine coin going to end up? There are some good targets on Engine. So if we go from the high to the low here, if this is going to be the bottom, this could change. We have 90 cents up to $1, and then $1.90 up to $2. Let me go ahead and move the macro one out of the way. So if that is the bottom over that other 786 there, and then once we get over 32, you're bullish. And then if this thing comes up to 90 cents to $1, then that's where you're going to get a 9.5 to a 10x. And then if it comes up here to 190 to $2, that's of course where you're going to get a 20x out of Engine coin. So of course, comment down below, what are your thoughts? You think the bottom is in, and we're going to go lower? Are you loading up on Engine? Do you think it can hit these targets? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.